Alright, so here's the deal. I quit my 9 to 5, I sold my car, packed up my flat, and moved back to my parents' house. Because in the next 3 months, I'm going to be going all in on a AI-powered social learning platform that we're calling Seminr. This is something that I've been working on in the background for over a year now, and it started as a simple tool for generating revision questions, but it's grown into something way more than that now. So Seminr is a social network designed around education, a place where you don't just learn, you teach others what you learned, and in doing so, you learn even better. The idea was strong enough that it got accepted into a accelerator program, where we've spent the year refining it, testing it, improving on the original idea, so basically laying out the groundwork for what we're doing now. My co-founder, who's also my sister, even went to San Francisco where she got to meet with investors and learn from some of the best people in technology. But now it's crunch time and it's January 2025, and I've decided to leave behind the safety of a very comfortable job to bring this project to life. And I'm going to need your help to do that. I need you to sign up, test it out, tell me what works, what doesn't, and hopefully together we can build something that will change the way people do education today.
Hello and welcome to Seminr. I'm Alice, your personal learning assistant. It looks like you haven't onboarded fully yet, so I'll ask you a few questions to help set up your profile. The more information you provide, the better I can help you. You can speak out loud or type your responses. Here's what I need from you.
All right, so before we get too deep into how Seminr works, let's talk about the actual problem that we're trying to solve. So we believe that education currently is kind of broken. It's either prohibitively expensive or completely unengaging. We have universities that charge tens of thousands for degrees, pricing out millions of people. And while online learning is more accessible, it's far from perfect at the moment. Sure, we have websites with video courses, textbooks, and revision tools, but how many of us actually finish those courses? We think that most of these platforms only offer one-dimensional interactions with the content that people are trying to learn. And real understanding doesn't come from reading a single chapter or watching a single video. It takes multiple interactions with the material in different formats and scenarios, and we think that's something traditional online learning just doesn't provide at the moment. So this is where we think that social media provides a glimpse of what's possible.
If you're trying to deliver education with a smartphone, you run into a humongous problem. And it is that smartphones come equipped with some of the most addictive drugs that humanity has ever engineered. TikTok, Instagram, mobile games. See, delivering education over a smartphone is like hoping that people will eat their broccoli, but right next to it, you put the most delicious dessert ever made. If you really want to deliver education to everyone, not only do you have to make it accessible, but also you have to make it so that people want to actually learn. I'll say it another way. What we've done is that we've used the same psychological techniques that apps like Instagram, TikTok, or mobile games use to keep people engaged. But in this case, we use them to keep people engaged, but with education.
Platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Reddit, Facebook have completely changed the way we consume information, and they're obviously being used for education at the moment, but it's almost passive. So YouTube has a ton of incredible video tutorials. TikTok is good at really delivering short, amazing how-tos. The developers of TikTok actually started by trying to make an educational platform that focuses on short-form content, but then later decided to turn it into what it is today. Reddit has a lot of deep and thoughtful discussions, and even Twitter is really good for getting up-to-date information. But none of these platforms are designed for education. They're built for entertainment, socializing, or sharing opinions. And yet, even without being optimized for learning, these platforms are really successful at spreading knowledge. Imagine what we could achieve if we designed a social network specifically for learning. On Seminr, we're creating a space where you can find exactly what you need, share it, and learn in a way that's not just effective, but also fun. Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing a dev diary on this channel, basically documenting the process of us trying to build this platform. You can find all the information on Seminr.ai, which is the live website, where you can also log in and have a go at trying to create a post, joining a community or speaking to your learning assistant. You can have a go at uploading some resources and asking your AI learning assistants to help you learn the information. And you can also take a look at what we're calling the Seminr feature, which will be the main feature of the platform. It basically allows you to deepen your understanding on a particular topic that you're trying to learn by creating a learning resource in the form of a video or a traditional post that you can then share with other people or keep to yourself. And the main idea is that in creating this resource, you spend more time with the content that you're trying to learn and reinforce it in your mind. I'll actually be talking about this particular feature in the next video, so stay tuned. It should be out next Sunday. But if you go to the website and open up the Seminr Studio, you can get an idea of how it will work. We've been working on this for over a year, and we're in the process of trying to transfer everything that we did in the research and development phase into the final product that you guys can actually use. So yeah, have a go at trying to sign up if you think any of what I've just said in this video is interesting. It goes a long way in showing us if anyone is out there is actually interested. Or if you just want to watch the journey of how I go about building this thing, maybe you might learn something if you're trying to do something similar in your own life. Hit the like and subscribe button and stay tuned for more. I'm going to be trying to release a video updating you guys on where we are with the project and what we're doing each Sunday. But yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video to give you guys a glimpse of what I'm going to be doing on this channel, and if you're interested, sign up again.